Your Bronco Sport may be equipped with some features that go hand in hand with your adventures. First, let's go to the rear seat. Push the latch at the front of the seat and lift the seat cushion to access this hidden storage compartment. Now, find the zippered seat back pockets and MOLLE straps on each of the front seats to hold your essentials. There's storage for your mobile phone in these convenient pockets on the driver and front passenger seats. Back in the cargo area, when you open the liftgate, you'll see that the inside handle is a great place for hanging items. You'll notice a handy bottle opener on the passenger side. And you'll also find this button on the driver's side, which controls the rear flood lamps. There are two, and they can be rotated to direct light closer or further away from the rear end of your Bronco Sport. Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.